Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel The Golden Platter. In summertime, it's very important to stay hydrated and refreshed. So today's recipes will serve the same purpose. The name of the recipes are Virgin Mojito and Strawberry Mojito. But before starting with the recipes, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of the amazing recipes. So let's get started. The ingredients required for this recipe are soda water, mint leaves, sliced strawberries, lemons, ice cubes, castor sugar and salt. So we'll be starting with Virgin Mojito first of all, and we need to muddle the mint and lemons. So just take few mint leaves, around 8 to 10, and lemon slices. You can take around 2 lemons for this and just crush it nicely. You can even do it in the glass itself with the muddler. This brings out the flavors of the lemon and the mint together. So after this, we put all of this stuff into the glass. And additionally, I'll squeeze the juice of half a lemon in the glass. Next, we'll add sugar. I'll be adding 3 teaspoons of sugar, but you can increase or reduce the quantity according to your choice. And salt. Next, we're gonna add ice cubes. You can even use crushed ice for this. That also works very well. And we'll put a few more mint leaves. And lemon into it. In the final step, we add the soda. This is absolutely gorgeous, and we'll just give it a nice mix. So our super refreshing and tasty Virgin Mojito is ready. Now we move on to making Strawberry Mojito. For making the Strawberry Mojito, we'll take around 8 to 10 mint leaves and 4 to 5 strawberries and lemon. We'll muddle up all these ingredients. So after these have been muddled, we'll add these to the glass. Now we'll add ice cubes to it. Next we'll add sugar. Again, I'm adding 3 teaspoons of sugar. And lastly, we'll add salt. I'll squeeze the juice of half a lemon to it. And add a few more mint leaves, some strawberries, and pour soda over it. Wow, this is absolutely delightful. Look at the beautiful color. Just give it a nice mix with a spoon. Our super amazing and delightful strawberry mojito is ready. I just can't wait to taste it. I'm sure you all will love it a lot. Please try this recipe at home and do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.